Okay, lesson 26. This is an everyday expression, a dialogue, and about giving instructions to children. So here in this lesson, we learn and how to speak in Cebuano dialect through giving instructions to children. So here are some a dialogue on giving instructions to children. In Cebuano, if we say ali ragud, in English, that is come here. So the word ali here in English is come, and ragud is here. So ali ragud, come here. Hugasi imong kamot ug nawong. In English, wash your hands and face. So the word hugasi here in English is wash. Imong is your. Kamot is hands. Og and nawong is face. So hugasi imong kamot ug nawong. Wash your hands and face. Isuot imong sapatos ug sinina. Put on your shoes and clothes. So isuot here, the word isuot here in Cebuano, in English, that is put on. And imong is your, sapatos is shoes, og sinina is clothes. So isuot again is put on, sapatos is shoes, and is og, and sinina is clothes. So isuot imong sapatos ug sinina, put on your shoes and clothes. Paglingkod ug pagpahulay, sit down and rest. So the word paglingkod here in Cebuano, in English, is sit down, and og again, the and pagpahulay is rest. So paglingkod ug pagpahulay, sit down and rest. Katulog na, go to sleep. So the word katulog in Cebuano, in English, that is sleep. So katulog na, go to sleep. Punita ang imong mga dulaan, pick up your toys. So the word punita here is pick up, and dulaan is toys. So punita ang imong mga dulaan, pick up your toys. Ayaw og hilak, do not cry. So the word ayaw here again is do not, and hilak is cry. So ayaw og hilak, do not cry. Ayaw mo pag-away, don't quarrel. So the word again, the word ayaw here is don't, and pag-away is quarrel. So ayaw mo pag-away, don't quarrel. Adto mo sa gawas, dayon magdula. Go outdoors and play. So adto in English is go, and gawas is outdoors, and magdula is play. So adto again is go, gawas is outdoors, magdula is play. So adto mo sa gawas, dayon magdula. Go outdoors and play. Ayaw pukawa ang bata, do not wake the baby. So the word ayaw again here is do not, and pukawa is wake, and baby, and bata is baby. So ayaw pukawa ang bata, do not wake the baby.